Renovation Improvement Strategy 3. The strategy results in major or breakthrough improvements, although the resulting product, service process, or activity might not often appear to be different from the original. It is basically the same. Innovation and technological achievements are key factors in the approach. For example, the process drilling a hole with was originally done by hand with a cranking mechanism. However, with the advancement of electrical motor, the electric drill was born. The electric drill has become continually refined by improving bits, chunks, and materials. More recently, another renovation occurred that was brought about by the development of rechargeable batteries. The rechargeable electric drill is basically the same as the old hand drill. Renovation is more costly than the previous strategies and is usually undertaken by teams rather than individuals. Reinventment. Okay, this was renovation. Yeah, that's all.